continue to find favor with you.
Rere mashira ma migunda makoretwo makiongerereka o gwakia na ngucanio cia migunda. Ministry ya migunda ni thugundite kwambika mubango mweru wa kunina mathina maya na njira ya gukanja taitu ciothe ciaheanitwo na NGUNGO na andu kwigwatira ng'undu itari ciao. Akianirira mubango uyu, Minister wa migunda Alice Wahome ugite mekwambiriria na kaunti ya Nairobi, mwena wa NGONG kaunti-ini ya Kajiado na mwena wa GICUA-INI iria ikuite Buritatha. Akiuga mathina maingi maria magomeire ministry no ni kumana na toria nime sekta-ini ya migunda.
We shall not honor that certificate as a land ministry. Once these records come to my notice and the notice of my principal secretary, we will recall. We will seek to recall and to cancel. We are no longer going to tolerate a situation where fraudsters are evicting owners, true owners of land from their spaces, from their property.
Wahome ongereire kuuga ati kumanagia na riu guthie na mbere thirikari ndirikoragwo igitambura na gukurana allotment letters iria ene materuhitie kuringana na watho.
Every allotment letter gives you the terms of that allotment. Once you don't meet do what you are supposed to do, the conditions set within the 60 days, the government, the allotment body, the commission or the county authority has the right to allocate the same property to another person and proceed to process the title.
We as field officers kindly do not process letters of allotment that have expired, 1. 2, that have not been forwarded by the commission. Acceptance is to the commission. Acceptance is to the commission. We will forward these letters to you for further processing.
Na thutha wa mubango wa thirikari wa gwikira maundu megi migunda mitambo-ini, undu uyu ni uhotithitie kuungania kigena gia ciringi bilioni 14. Mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ino Nixon Korila akiuga ni mareire mibango ya kuhitana na morito maria magomeire ministry ino.
There was an issue in regards to stamp duty. We still have an issue in regards to stamp duty. We think more than 50% of the transactions are happening either an agreement with stamp duty or stamp duty is not paid. And the issue, one of the issues was that the items that is a KRA system is not integrated with our system, and that we did not have visibility of the KRA system because we do the processing, the assessment from our side at glance.
Kirifotera Kameme TV ni jetagwo Wagoi wa Mwiruri.